In this video, we will talk about garment category, what is the use and how to manage these categories. To access this screen, you need to log into SuperAdmin, navigate to Master, Garment category. Now, one of the major use of garment category is to arrange the garment into different segments. For an example, if you have more than 150 garments, it will be difficult to manage all these garments into one single section or a category. And another important use is, by default, we cannot have duplicate garments. It means, in an example, if you have a shirt and you have two different prices for shirt, maybe a shirt for retail laundry and a shirt for hotels are done at different pricing. In this scenario, you can manage same two garments in two different categories. Let us just check what are the options available. We can see this is the name of the category, number of garments which are in this particular category, and the name of the category in local language. We can configure our system to print the name of the category in local language. We can mark any of the category as inactive if we are not using it or if we do not plan to use it. We can search for a category if you have a long list of the category name. We can rearrange the category sequence. We will understand about the category sequence in another video. We can create a new category as and when required. Now we will be creating a new category, hotel. Let me just search for hotel in Hindi in Google. This will give me the label of a particular category or a particular word in a local language. Done. So new category is created and it do not have any garment into it, zero garment. Till the time we do not have any garment in the category, we can delete it or inactivate it. Once we have the garments in the category, we cannot delete it. For example, in household category, we have 22 garments. Now the delete button is not available. We can only mark it inactive. Once we mark a category inactive, all the garments in that list will not be visible on the order generation screen. Let us just see the impact of all these options on order generation. I am logged into the store and creating an order. As we can see, we have the garments arranged into different categories: men, women, kids, household, and the recently added category is available here and it do not have any garments into it. If we mark any of the category as inactive, that particular category will actually be vanished from this screen. So this is how we will use garment category. Number one, we can create different categories for arranging garments. We can create categories for having multiple garments of the same name. It can only be happen into multiple categories. We can have the category name in the local language. That's it. Thank you. I hope it helps.